Join us in this episode where Toyotas break and Defenders get stuck. But first it's time to fix some things at the Defender, as always.
Something.
After several weeks on the road, we were heading towards Taif. We reached out to Rory a while ago to ask him if he could help us to fix our leaking swivel housing. He invited us to stay with him for a couple of days. It turned out to be great fun. By the way, Rory has a YouTube channel too.
Hello, welcome back to Rory's workshop. Today we're working on Taif. Hi.
Where he shows his adventures in the Middle East and fixes his 17 cars back in the UK.
There we go.
We will link him below. During his time in the Middle East, Rory added the FJ to his collection, and we had a chance to drive them.
We arrived yesterday at Rory's place. We had a great dinner together and spent just the time talking about a lot of things. And today we are going to start repairing the car. Several things we need to be doing here, so it's going to be
So could have laid it with dirt.
Look at these babies. You had babies. You're pouring. Yeah.
Nice shot. So you've got this seal, the swivel seal here.
Yeah, but the oil seal from the axle is there.
Yeah. Wait, like in case if we break a bolt, then we need to go and visit some sketchy workshops.
Okay.
And I question it every time, but somehow it works.
I'm stuck. Oh,
Something
no.
went in.
One.
Okay, no, that's fine. We can get the other one.
Something went in, yeah.
Yeah, of course it's stuck.
Yeah.
I cannot pull on the shaft.
No, I didn't realize you were pulling on the shaft. I thought you were pulling on the shaft.
So satisfying to see it.
Yeah, it is.
All the dirt.
Yeah, it just.
I mean,
I will sleep better knowing I cleaned it. I just want to double check because I don't build it up.
I didn't realize that. Why is the spacing different?
Because the bolt has an angle.
Okay.
It's not symmetric.
Why they make so complicated?
Four across the bottom.
Yeah, so we are right.
Yeah, and those bearings will only go in. They're not the same.
It's fun to work with somebody that knows what he's doing.
How much grease do you put in? Like one bag
The whole
or
bag.
the whole bag?
So that's tight. These are tight. That's tight. Chip bolt underneath are tight. The caliper bolts are tight.
So
One shot.
Second repair. Right now it's bended to the inside. We need to put it back straight. Rory is cleaning our very, very dusty high lift. Meanwhile, Kai is greasing everything.
Gingerly.
and now just put a nut in between.
Oh, beautiful. What a wonderful bit of kit. Okay. Gingerly. If it may jump, just be ready. Okay. bit more.
A bit more, but
Like when you see the direction
Yeah.
of the bolts.
Yeah.
they're still down, yeah.
I have a lot of faith in this wheel carrier because this wheel carrier is probably one of the strongest ones I've ever seen. It's freaking incredible. But as if for the risk of what you're going to get.
Yeah, breaking the glass will be bad.
Yeah. Wait to my seat.
It's time for a test drive. As soon as we were done with the Defender, Rory took us out in his FJ Toyota Priscilla. The next day it was finally time for us to drive the FJs ourselves. We took them for a spin to some of Rory's favorite places around Taif. They are loud, the driving position is even worse than in a Defender, but at the same time it's great fun to drive them, and we were soon thinking about getting one ourselves. We are out and our tour guide and mechanic has to fix our spare wheel. Those goddamn Toyotas, they're just not reliable.
Das Auto ist kaputt.
The tire moved again, so Guy is trying to fix it temporarily. New solution. The truck was really nice. Coming here.
And they're small.
Hmm.
Look at the gecko. Or the
Oh yeah,
Where?
lizard.
on the wheel. I don't think the owner would like him being.
What is that?
That's one.
Ah yeah, it is, yeah.
And up there's
You see,
another one.
you see it?
Yeah.
That's Priscilla with her chin sticking out. Right, if we spin round,
Yeah.
and head in that direction.
We drove to a dam, a gorgeous canyon, and last but not least we checked out an old Berber fort on a small hill to watch the sunset. It was beautiful.
How is the view?
Yeah, I think you're too heavy, Guy.
Good old gravity.
Yeah. Yeah, the wood, yeah.
Sweet. It's not crack coating, I'm not sure.
On the way back, we stopped at the scrapyard of a friend of Rory to get Priscilla's tailgate fixed. They couldn't wait to show us some of their treasures.
This is the scrapyard where they do a lot of repairs for Rory.
V12.
Yes.
Wow.
Big. This is the 6.3 V12.
Yeah, he wrote it on the
Oh,
bonnet.
did he? Mercedes.
Look at this.
Yeah. Yes. Which one's this? Chevrolet. Cadillac. Yes.
Look at that one.
Mercedes.
Did he? Baby.
Yeah.
So baby. Yeah, the lock was getting broken, so.
I know.
We are going out again. This time we will camp at the desert and spend the night there.
Those Toyotas make always problems.
I blame the German driver. Damn good blow through.
And we are back on the road.
Why do you stop? If you're moving, keep going, don't stop. Rock the steering as well. Yeah, rock it. Keep it in. You're doing good.
It's completely in,
No, you're good. You're moving, but you're not.
going anywhere.
You're too scared.
What should I do?
When you're rocking the steering,
Yeah,
you rock it like this.
all the time?
Yeah. You're going lock to lock,
Yeah,
which
less.
is it's too much work and you're going to get tired. The
So
car
I
isn't.
do it
So
less.
just rock it 180 degrees either way and just keep going, and it'll send the front wheels looking for traction and it'll just claw itself out. What you want to be doing here the way the land is, you want to be turning to the right.
Completely there?
Yeah, you sort of want to be facing, by the end of it, you want to be facing in that direction, because that's downhill. So you can go downhill, turn around, take a run up, and then chase my tracks.
Don't you think I can try to go through there?
You could,
Like this?
but there's no place for you to get momentum.
If I go really backwards,
Yeah.
yes.
Then get momentum.
And then, but
Second.
I would actually try there.
Yeah, if you wish.
Yeah, well first I need to get out. Forward or backwards?
Forward. When your foot to the floor,
Yeah.
and when your wheels start to spin, all they do is spin.
Yeah, so I
So you
dig
dig.
more. I was really like surprised or in shock when I saw this in the store.
Yeah.
Look. Yeah.
That's to attract the fish in the desert.
Yeah, it's, aliens, come here. For heaven's sake.
A good dinner and a bonfire in the desert, can you top that? Oh yes, when you have someone teaches you how to drift right after breakfast. And there he goes. Thank you so much, Rory, for everything you did for us. You're a legend. See you soon.